Hey guys, James Paradise here. Yeah, it is Tuesday night, and we're coming out of this whole coronavirus COVID-19 quarantine here in the Caribbean, about 2 minutes from the beach here. Check out what they're making here. Look at the sausages, you can see that. And then over here, she's got hamburgers. Wow, look at that. Look at that food. That looks amazing. Hamburgers. Say hola. Hola. And they got, look at all these buns. Mucho grande buns. Excelente with the onions. And then what you do, you buy one of these hot dogs here. This is a sausage. It's sausage. It's pork. And then what you do is you put some stuff on there. So what you do is this. This is street food. This sausage, that little sausage right there, excelente. It is pork sausage. It is so good. It's like eating in the street food in New York City, in Mexico. And then you can pick some sides. This is chipotle. It's mucho picante, which means it's very hot and spicy. And then you have some vegetables here. You have onion, carrots, peppers, and then you throw some of that on top. And then you can get some jalapenos, carrots, lots of vegetables. Okay, so we're gonna dig in. Say hola, hola. This is where you leave your tips, little piggy. Okay, and we're gonna get some stuff here. And oh, we're ready to go. Look at that. That took 2 minutes. What did you get? Oh, you got a burger. Okay, we gotta get some food out. And you got lots of ketchup. All kinds of stuff. We're gonna go get fat. We're gonna eat some sausage and hamburgers, and then I'll make another video. And the reason I want you to keep watching my videos is because not only do I show you how to live a paradise lifestyle on minimum money every month. I live on about $600 a month total, all of my bills. And believe me, I used to live on $15,000 a month when I was married with children. And right now, I've taken my whole lifestyle and I've minimized it. There's this wave going on all over the world with millennials who make millions of dollars and they minimize their lifestyle. How would you like to make money? $600 in 1 hour, one day on the internet, selling the #1 product in the world, and pay all your bills for the whole month, making one hour of work a day. You pay all your bills every month. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you what, where, when, why, how to do that right here on this video and every other video. Click that like button, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell. Ding, ding, ding. Keep watching. Here's how this works. Multi-millionaires, people who are making millions of dollars a year. And if anybody says, yeah, I'm making millions of dollars a month, they're full of shit. Fuck you. No, they're not. They're lying. Let's just say they're making over $1 million a year. Okay? So if you're, and listen, all these people working at home say, I'm working at home, I'm making millions of dollars. No, they're not. They're making money, but if you're working from home, that means they don't have an office, they don't have employees, they don't have a big business. But these big businesses, the large businesses like Amazon, let me tell you what they do. They sell products online, through e-commerce, they drop ship, and they make a percentage on every single sale. So if they sell a hat like this for $100, Amazon makes like $25. But if they sell 1 million of those in 1 year, they just made $25 million, and they sell thousands of products every year. That's the business you want to be in. Got it?
Mexican? He's a
okay. She's excellent. Okay, so like I was saying, now I'm in the pool, hanging out, relaxing. Let's say you get 100 people. I teach you how to get 100 people. to buy one product from you for $10. Now you got to listen to me very carefully. This is a little complicated. Everything is run by numbers. If you don't know how to run your life and your business by numbers, you'll never get rich. I teach you how to sell one product for $10. $10. And you sell that product to 10 people. How much money is that? Oh my God, can you do second grade math? One product, $10 to 10 people. That is $100. $100, okay? Now, what if you did that every day? 10 people, one product, 10 people for $10. That's $100 a day. How many days are in an average 30-day month? Third grade math. It's 30 days a month. An average 30-day month, that's 30 days. So if you make $100 a day times 30 days, that's $3,000 a month in income in your pocket from selling one product for $10, 10 times a day, 30 days a month. Got it?
Look at that sunset.
Okay, so let's continue with this. Let's say you sold that one product for $10 a day times $10 for 30 days a month, and you made $3,000 a month. Now you have, how many people bought that product? 10 people. What if you offered them another product, but it was a little bit more money, but it was better? It was going to help them change their life forever and make more money online for $500. And all those 10 people bought that product for $500 times 10. That's another $5,000. So now you made $3,000 plus the $5,000. Now you're up positive cash flow income in your pocket, $8,000 a month. Wait, because it gets even better than that. Okay, so let's continue with this training session as I'm swimming in the rooftop pool. Let's say those 10 people you offer another product to through emails and text messages with an automated follow-up system, just like one of the richest companies in the world called Amazon. And out of those 10 people, five, purchase another product from you, which is $1,000. And believe me, I have the product. Don't worry about that. That's easy. Selling products and services online is easy. Let's say five people of the 10 people who purchased the first product for $100 and the second product for $500 purchase the third product for $1,000. That's half of 10, which is 5 if you're doing first grade math. And that's 5 people paying another $1,000 each for the third product, which is $5,000. So now you made the first $3,000 plus the $5,000. Now another $5,000. Now you're up $13,000 in 1 month. Are you following what I'm saying? Because it's going to get even bigger and bigger. Okay, so now we got 10 people in our funnel. We're not even going to talk about having more people. 10 people, and out of those 10 people, now you've made about $13,000. Let's say 2 people out of those 10, only 20%, 2 people, actually pay for the next product, which is $5,000, which I'll show you exactly what that is. Keep watching my videos. So now you have 2 people from the 10 who pay you, what did I say? $5,000 for the next big product and service, which I'll show you exactly what that is. It's easy. And that's another $10,000. Now you're up to $23,000 in 1 month. In 1 month. And what if you could do that every month for the next 12 months? Get out your calculator. Get out your calculator. If you think you're really smart, you should be able to do this in your head in about 5 seconds, okay? 12 months, $23,000. Add it up, baby. Can you live on that? Can you live on that much money every year? Come on, think about it. Can you live on about $300,000 a year? If you can't, you're a loser. If you can, why don't you send me a comment below and I'll show you exactly how to set up the system. It's actually pretty simple. I can do it in 1 day on one phone call. I pay 1 bill, and how about I show you how to do 2 things and make money? Number 1, make money online selling a product, the number 1 product in the world that everybody needs right now, which is teaching people how to make money online. And then the second thing is investing your money into real estate. What if I could show you how to make $150,000 or more every year, take half that money and buy properties, real estate, and the number one real estate market in the world right now? Do you love that idea? Then keep watching. I'll be right back. I'm going downstairs. Alright, so anyway, guys, if you can see the sunset right there, right behind me, we got the sun going down. Monday night, June 15th, 2020, we got the sun going down, the sunset here in the Caribbean in Mexico, while we're hanging out in the rooftop pool. And I'm going to tell you one thing right now, I sleep good at night. Sometimes I wake up a couple of times because she's got a little baby. She's about to give birth to a baby boy in about 12 days. And they keep me up at night. But other than that, we're living a really good life here, relaxing. And I'm going to tell you why. Because I learned how to do one thing in my life. And I'm going to tell you what that is. Watch this. I used to work for the number one company out of New York City doing seminars all over the USA and Canada for about 3 years. I was the number one salesman. And I decided to leave that company for a better opportunity. And the second I left that company, they started to shut down because I was doing more sales than any other person in that company. They were relying on all of my money, my income, my sales, because I was the number one salesperson in that company. And they shut down literally 3 months after I left. And I went to go make more money with another company. So if you would like to learn how to close deals and sell and relate to people, why don't you drop me a comment below? I'll send you. Here's what I'll do. I'll send you 5 things that you can start. In fact, no, I'm not even going to send you anything. Watch this. Why don't you get on a live call with me right now? If you're a soldier, if you're a winner, if you're an entrepreneur, and you're not full of shit, and you're not a pussy, I don't care if you're a woman or a man. I don't care, because I'm going to make my money anyway. But I can help you do one thing. Close deals every single day, and the only way you make money is by taking other people's money out of their pocket and putting it into your pocket. But you have to provide the number one product in the world, which I have.